Welcome you all. This is Surya Kala, working as assistant professor in Sri Muthukumaran Institute of Technology. In this video, we are going to see about the subject Embedded Systems and IoT. The subject code is CS3691. In Embedded System, we are going to see about the topic Unit 3, IoT and Arduino board programming. In this introduction to the concepts of IoT, we are going to see in this video. First, introduction to IoT. What it stands for IoT? It's an Internet of Things. It means networks of physical objects embedded with electronic sensing and actuation and communication. Objects with embedded electronics is known as a sensor node. This is the functional block diagram of the sensor node with the IoT. These are all the types of sensor: light sensor, temperature sensor, position, speed, pressure, and chemical sensors are used in the IoT. Next, it is connected to the processor, and then it turns connected to the actuators and the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, like that. What is processor? The processor is a general term, the brain of the computer. It can be dedicated microcontroller or a microprocessor. Three most commonly used processing devices are Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and Node MCU. ESP8286 or ESP32 is used as a MCU. What is Raspberry Pi? It is a single board computer. Does not look like a typical computer. It's however, when connected to the monitor, USB keyboard, and the mouse, the Raspberry Pi is just like an entry-level Linux computer. Next, we are going to see about the Arduino. It's launched in 2005. It's manufactured by an Italian company. Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are available in variety of models such as Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega, Arduino Nano and Micro, Pro Mini, etc. Then Arduino is an open electronic platform based on the easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are available in variety of models. The Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on a Atmega 32AP. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on 14 digital input-output pins and 6 analog pins, 16 MHz clock signal. It can be used. The USB connection, a power jack, and ICSB header and insert buttons are available. This is the Arduino Uno pin diagrams. There are digital pins and analog pins and ground supply pins are available, and serial peripheral interface and UART and I2C are available in the Arduino Uno pin. In Arduino Uno pin, A0 to A5 is an analog input pins. Its voltage range is 0 to 5 volts used for analog read function, and D0 to D13 is a digital IO pins. Use these pins for digital read, digital write, analog read functions. And pulse width modulation pins are indicated by the symbol. This pin is a 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11 can be used. These pins of boards are used to convert the digital signal into analog by varying the width of the pulse. Analog write function work only with these pins. And pin 13 is used as a LED pin, the only actuator built in to your board, useful for debugging. Power of LED indicates that your Arduino is receiving power, useful for debugging. The ground and 5-volt pins are used in Arduino pin. 3.3 volt pin is used to provide the external circuit. The reset button is used to reset the Atmega microcontroller. USB port. The use of the USB port is powering your Arduino Uno, uploading your sketches to your Arduino, and for communicating with your Arduino sketches. And the power connector is used to power our Arduino when it's not plugged into the USB port for power. Can accept voltage up to 7 to 12 volt. Next, transmitter and receiver LEDs. These LEDs indicates the communication between your Arduino and your computer. Next, UART pin. UART stands for Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter. It is a protocol that allows two devices to exchange data serially or bit by bit over a single line. Pin D0 and D1 can be used as transmit and receive pins respectively. Next, SPI pins. SPI stands for Serial Peripheral Interface pin. It is used to maintain SPI communication with the help of the SPI library. SPI pin includes SS. Pin number 10 is used as slave select. MOSI means pin number 11 is used for the master output slave input. MISO means pin 12 is used as a master input and slave output. SEK, the pin 13 is used as a serial clock. Next, I2C pin. I2C stands for Integrated Circuits. It is a protocol that allows you to connect several peripheral devices such as sensor, displays, monitor, drivers, and so on with only few wires. The IC2 protocol involves using two lines to send and receive the data. Serial clock pin, SCL, that the Arduino controller board pulse at the rectangular interval, and the serial data pin, SDA pin, over which data is transferred between the two devices. Thank you.